Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you some interesting interact animation from my recent project for Chanel. This is we can use C4D, Redshift and Realflow. So, no more words, let's jump in C4D. First of all, let me show you what I've got. This is a pretty simple model of perfume. Probably I would switch off my materials and work plain, but you don't care about it. Like that. Add some light in my scene. I guess dome light would be enough for a while. Then I get a Redshift tag for my assets. In the tag I go to geometry, override and change minimum edge light like that. Right. Time to add Realflow system in my scene. Let me change some parameters for more useful work. And one very crucial thing. For more spectacular animation, decrease timescale like that. Next, I take circle emitter, change his sizes, speed and have animated keys on timeline. Something like that. Right. Switch off my dome light and display icon in Realflow. Next, I would rotate emitter and get his sub from 0 coordinates. Copy my emitter and unwrap it. There must be mirror coordinates. Press play and take a look. It's working. Now I can change my liquid system. Go to the fluid type, SPH, resolution by 5, I guess it will be enough, intensive pressure by 2 and probably that is all. Next I choose collider tag for my assets. Press play. I need drag and noise in my scene. In the drag change strength by 1 and in the noise field put noise on 500 maybe. Let's check it. I think we've got a pretty good result. Now I take a measure to create a measure from my emitter. In parameters change radius on 7, smooth on 8 and medium resolution. Take a look. So far so good. Now I can cache my simulation. Let me check it. Look at this. It's promising. What's next? Now I want to create not many little bubbles in my flow. For that I go to fluid, thinking particle settings, add one more group, put in thinking particles. So, the same group I must put in the matrix, like that. It's working. Then I want to decrease number of matrix cubes a bit. For that I go to the homograph and get a random effector. Call it, I don't know, random num maybe, right. In the random I choose visibility and decrease minimum %. Also switch off position. How it's working? Take a look. Next, let me to create bubbles. For that I create a sphere when radius is 2, something like that maybe. Then I take a cloner and put it my sphere in cloner. In the cloner choose object and multi-instance mode. In the window for object I apply matrix. Create material for bubbles and call it bubble. Actually it will be a simple water material, like that. Press play and we can see nothing, because I need to apply liquid material to the measure. Well, it's promising for now. Decrease sphere's radius and add some random for this. More graph, random, colored random scale, and change it something like that. So what about lighting? Lighting will create it literally with dome lights. So go to the dome light, add the graph shader, go to the graph shader, then get C4D shader and connect them. In the C4D shader, change texture parameters and increase depth. Also choose a gradient shader. Alright. Change gradient a little bit more. I need to add camera and set it up in my scene. Okay. It will be good if I switch on color controls and settings. Yes, we can see difference now. Next, I want to rotate my downlight a bit for more expensive look. Now I would turn off all contribution settings except transmission and diffuse, and play it with trace depth and material. So far so good. Now let me turn off the background in the dome light, copy it and call HDRI. For my HDRI, I copy same material and change it a bit. Instead of a gradient, I will use a noise. Increase global scale. In this case, background will be enabled. Next, I rotate HDRI a bit. Well, let's increase contrast a bit more. And rotate HDRI again. Something like that. Looking pretty nice. Don't forget to turn on all settings in your HDRI and fix materials a bit. Probably like that. So that is all. I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my Instagram account. See you.